Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon fish. Hey cartoon fans, and thanks for checking out this latest video. I'm John-Marc and I'm going to teach you how to draw this fun fish right now. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is really rough out the head and the body right now, and take a special note that you can at this time change the shape of the head and body but still continue the same process and totally have a different fish, but learn exactly what I'm doing right now. So I had the little nose and the mouth right now, so I'm just going to work on the eyes. And as you can see, even the eyes you can even change. Instead of him like looking really sad, you can have him really open or scared or however. So change up. Even though I'm creating something, you don't have to copy it 100%. You can learn by experimenting and using your creativity that I know you have. All right, this is just a straightforward fish, basic body, fin on the top and fin on the back and on the side here. And let's get one on the other side waving. All right, and a very, very simple sketch. As you can see, it's very rough and light, and something that I like to share that you guys practice with. And you can even stop at this stop part and work on another one. But I'm going to continue, make it a little darker now with my pencil, and that'll just give some more final on this drawing. Yeah, let's get some secondary fins in the front there. Let's work on his face a little bit more, his eyes. There we go. That's looking better. Okay, a little bit more and more darker. Give that overlapping action. That's the neat thing when you're doing cartoons, so it doesn't look flat, is when you take something and you overlap the line, it gives more dimension, like this eyebrow here and the eyelashes intentionally. But the I'm going to shade that in right now. Let me shade that one a little bit better too, darker. There we go. All right, let's get his mouth there. This tongue overlapping shows that fold in his tongue and his lip on the bottom there too. And on his nose here, where at the top where the eyes meet, there's multiple lines. It gives that nice three-dimensional look. All right, let's shade in everything on the far side a little bit, as I do most of the time, to give an indication of depth. And let's get that fin done. A little bit over, a little bit more. Okay, let's get the little lines. I might just put 3 down this time. All right, let's get that back of his tail and his fin in there. And sometimes even in the fins, I might take like a little rip or 2 in there, because they kind of weather like right now. And there's some right there. All right, let's get that top there. There you go, that center. As you can see through the face, you see that the little bullseye I had there that helped me for my eyes, and that perspective. The one on the left is a little bit smaller than on the right. Not the same shape. All right, let's get this top of his little fins now. There we go. Redirect his face there a little bit sharper. There we go. Okay. And try to match from one side to the other side, whatever the object is. In this case, I want to make sure the fins are the same basic shape and pattern on there, but knowing the ones on the far left should be a little smaller than on the right sometimes. That depends if it's foreshortening. A new word you just heard, foreshortening. I'm going to teach you some of that later on, another lesson. So remember the word foreshortening. All right. Create some patterns, some textures on the fish right now. I give him a little funny nose too. A little color on the nose I probably might put there, may or may not. But on the final one, you can always change that out. All right, it's looking good. So, as always, what we always say is let's sign and date it. And thanks again for watching this video, and have a great day.